Hey guys, so I am surrounded by all of this stuff because we're packing. We're going to Disney World in a couple of days, so I'm so excited. I'm going with my son, and we have a group that we're going with, a lot of other kids as well. So we're gonna have a good time. We have like 4 days planned. We're gonna go to Animal Kingdom, Magic Kingdom, Universal, SeaWorld. We just have a packed itinerary. So the good thing about having an itinerary is that it helps you know what to pack. So I have all of this stuff here. I've been like just getting stuff for months. So I've been getting things from Amazon. I went to some stores the other day. I went to Kohl's. I went to Five Below. I've gotten some things from Target some months back, just a lot of different places. So I'm just kind of putting everything together. So of course I love a good theme. So everything that we have is pretty much all Disney and Mickey Minnie stuff. So my son is 7 years old. He loves red. So that's the great color when it comes to Mickey. So we have some really cool stuff. So we have our agenda. My friend and her best friend, they planned this whole trip. So they have done an amazing job just getting everything organized, making it very easy for us to go in and do all our booking. So I really suggest making sure that you have an itinerary, and I just printed it out so that I know like what we're going to do on each day so that I can plan what we're going to wear, what we're going to need. They also sent over some packing lists, and I found a lot of things online too that I've been using as I've been buying my stuff. So these are just great little packing lists that you can get on Google and different websites to help you. Of course, they have so much great information on YouTube for Disney travel and for helping you plan your trip. So this packing list I really like because it's separated in categories. So you have like your clothing items, your toiletries. These are just some of the categories that they have. And I'll try to put a link down below. I don't know if it'll be this exact same packing list, but I'll put a few down below. Your paperwork. So that's very important. Like your ticket confirmations, if you're renting a car, your hotel, your flight, your ID, just making sure you have everything that you need. Laundry, if you plan on doing laundry, bring all of that stuff. Your food and kitchen items. So we're going to be staying in a suite that has like a full kitchen. A few of us do have allergies, so we're going to do a lot of food in our room that we're going to prepare as well. They do allow you to bring food into the theme parks, so we're going to at the least pack snacks so that we don't have to spend so much money. So that'll be a cost savings, is to bring some of our own food. So they have a list there, and I'm going to bring some stuff from home that I'll be packing in my suitcase because there's some allergy friendly things that I use on a daily basis that I don't know if I'll be able to find at the stores there. And I have Dash here.
Hi.
He's going to be helping me pack. And they have a section here for a road trip. If you're doing a road trip, we're flying, so we won't need that. Your medicines, because you definitely want to make sure that you have all the medicines that you need, like on a daily basis if you take any medicines, and then if you have any emergency medicines that you just carry that you want to take. So don't forget any of that. And then baby stuff, if you have any babies, which we don't have any babies on this trip. Your park bag. So that's where we're going to be taking all of our food items, our tickets, and then like planning for weather changes, if it rains, things like that. So definitely want to do that. And then your water park bag and everything else. So this is a very extensive list, which helps you. And I also have like just a checklist in my phone where I've just put like my own personal things that I don't want to forget. And of course, the content is always great for us content creators. So I definitely am making sure that I bring my camera, my memory cards, and all of that. I just got a new camera, the DJI Pocket 3. I just did a review on this camera and it is so small. So this is going to be something really great to take on the trip so that I don't have to deal with a large camera and I can get some high quality, great content with this. So this is something that I'm going to have in my park bag. Just to show you guys, I think I want to show you like quickly. I'm not going to show you everything before I start packing stuff up, but I do want to show you a few key things that I got. These are our suitcases back here. We're checking bags instead of carry-on. So I have a large suitcase here, and then Dash just got a smaller Pokemon suitcase, and he's going to be doing some content too for Disney World. So I'm going to link his channel below because he has a channel, so he wants to get some views on his channel. So if any of your kids or if you are Pokemon fans yourself, he has a lot of good Pokemon content over there on the official Fast Dash. So anyway, I'm going to show you some key things, and we're going to be packing it in our checked bags. I do have those food and snack items that I mentioned. So his bag is not super big, so I may kind of put like a lot of the things that we're going to take for the food stuff in his bag, and I may put some of his clothes in my bag as well. So to make it a little bit easier, I did get these packing cubes from Amazon. I haven't opened them yet, but this is great so that you can like organize your stuff. Everything is not just thrown loose in your suitcase. My suitcase does have a couple different compartments like they all do, but it's pretty much just an open space for everything to go in. So I got these packing cubes. I haven't even opened them yet. And hopefully this will help to make things a little bit easier to organize. And then if we have like our dirty clothes, they have a laundry bag already included in here. If I can get it open. So this is I think it's like an 8-piece cube set. I don't remember. But I'm going to link all of this stuff below as much as I can. So this is just really cool that they have, right when you open it, a lot of different compartments. And I bought it because I love the purple color. And then it had all the different bags and compartments that I need. So I'm going to take it all out because as I'm packing, I'll probably start using this and putting some things in it. But the bag that it comes in itself is a bag in itself that you can use. So this may be good for like toiletries. You have different plastic compartments there. So this looks like a pretty good toiletry bag that you can use, which is what the packing cubes come in. And then they have bags for your clothes, all different sizes. So they go from large to small. And then this is the laundry bag that I was mentioning. So this is pretty cool where you can put your dirty clothes at the end of the trip if you don't wash them before you go. And then just all different sizes. So this is like really great. And I'm going to definitely, oh, this is a nice bag for toiletries or makeup. So I'm definitely going to use this in my suitcase, especially because I'll probably put some of my son's stuff in here. So I can pack up maybe some of his socks and t-shirts and stuff in one of these so that it's not mixed in with all of my stuff. And then I also had a while back from Five Below. I had just gotten like, no, I think I got this off Temu. So off Temu, I ordered these. So I have like all of these little cube bags that I can just put things in. This is a travel bag, just cute little bags to use. So I have plenty of bags that I can pack things in and put it inside of my suitcase. For the park bag, for the travel bag, I'm so excited because I got the cutest bag, and I got this from Target. and I ordered it from Target. So this is a Mickey backpack, and this is what I'm going to use. We're a little concerned about the kids carrying backpacks because it's going to be very long days, a lot of walking. So I'm probably going to carry everything for myself and for Dash. So I got a pretty large backpack so I can fit everything we need in there. We'll be taking water bottles that we can refill at the park, our snacks, medicines, camera, and all of the things. So this is a really nice Mickey Mouse themed backpack that I'll be taking every day to all of the parks. This is another bag that I found, I don't know, Kohl's. I got this from Kohl's. So I got one for me and one for my friend who's planning the trip for us because we're going to Disney World and we're both from Michigan. We went to Michigan for college, so I thought that this was such a cute bag. I'll probably just pack it in the suitcase and I can use this for like our beach day when we go to the pool. And then another bag, inside of my bag I have this Mickey wallet because I want to downsize my wallet and just take all of the cards that are necessary for the trip. So this one is really cool. I got it off Amazon. It has Mickey on it. It has all of the different card holders here, and then they have a larger part there. I bought this other one I'm going to give to my friend too, because this was kind of a backup because I didn't know if Mickey was coming in time. But this is cute, also from Amazon, and it's a pouch wristlet. Okay, so I'm not going to go through everything, but I do kind of want to show you guys some of the really cute outfits that I got for my son. And I got them from Target and Amazon. I don't know what's what, but I got him like all these cute themed t-shirts. They're already folded, but I'm going to take them apart because he's going to try them on. This cute one. So we're going to all dress alike a few days, like the whole group. So this is one of our group t-shirts from Amazon. And I have one too. So we're all going to wear this like the first day. And I don't know what we'll put with it. Maybe some black shorts or black leggings for me. But this one is really nice. And I got him like just so many cute Mickey shirts. And then I got him a few outfits like with the pants too. So these are like thicker pants. It's really warm, well, cold here in Michigan. We have like a ton of snow right now. But then we're going to be going to Florida where it's going to be warm. So it'll be a change of weather. I don't know how hot it's going to be every day. So I'm just kind of going back and forth. This may be something that he can wear maybe on the plane, you know, going and traveling, so that he can just wear something warm and then change into some lighter pants once he gets there. But yeah, they have like all the cute Mickey shirts. So I have to go through the itinerary and see, because he probably doesn't even need all these shirts because we're only going to be there for like 4 or 5 days. Got him a hat because we're going to wear ears, some of the girls, and then the guys can wear the Mickey hat with the ears. I got him a few different hats, but this is one of them. This is a cute trucker hat that I got for myself that I'll wear one day. And we'll be doing a lot of walking, obviously. So I wanted to get him some new shoes. I got him some really cute Nikes that I am jealous of because I wish I had some, but they didn't have them in my size. But yes, these shoes made me super excited about the trip when we got them because they look so good on him and the colors are perfect with the white, black, and red. So he is going to be looking fly with the nice new kicks for the trip. Okay, so a couple things that you want to prepare for is weather changes. Sometimes it can just start pouring down, raining, or it may rain and then stop shortly after. So we definitely got some small umbrellas that we can put in the bag and rain ponchos. So I went to Five Below. That's where I got the umbrellas. And then they had these ponchos. So I got a couple of those. I ordered some ponchos off Amazon. I wasn't sure that they were going to come in time, but they did. So I'll decide if I want to take the Five Below ponchos or the Amazon ones. But definitely we are prepared for the rain. Another thing that you want to think about is making sure that your phone battery doesn't die. So I got a portable phone charger, and this one is really cool because they have a lot of different ports, so you can charge a lot of different things. I'll have my camera, my phone, and my son's phone. I think his use a different type of cord. So we're prepared with our Nintendo Switch. That's important. So we have a lot of different things and devices that we'll be charging. So in addition to your hotel charging, which we're going to use with our power block, I got one just for this trip so we can put a lot of things on the power strip. We also have our portable charger also. We're also going to have some pool time, like I mentioned. So Amazon had some really nice Mickey swim outfits for kids. So I got my son a Mickey swim outfit that he can use at the pool. And then I got a swim outfit that's just like polka dot, so kind of in the theme with like Minnie with the polka dot, so that's cool. I got us some towels, so he has like a Mickey beach towel. And then they had some really nice throw blankets, so this is one that I got for the plane and for the hotel. I tried to get him to get a Mickey theme, but he wanted Pokemon, so we got a Pokemon blanket too. Another hat that he has here too is a cute hat. And then when it comes to the Amazon clothes for him with all the t-shirts, I have like a lot of shorts to go with the stuff too. So he's gonna try all this stuff on, so I'll bring shorts and pants. And then pajamas, I have like Disney themed pajamas for him and myself as well. So I think that's pretty much it. I have a lot of other things, but I just wanted to give you a little bit of an overview of some of the things that we're going to be bringing and packing up. So I'm going to get to it, try to put this stuff together, try to downsize based on our packing list and our itinerary, just see what we need and what we don't need. So looking forward to bringing some great content from the trip, and I'll check in with you guys later. Bye. Come say bye, Dash.
Bye.
Bye. See you later.